Good morning, dear students of class 9, all the three sections. Welcome once again to your virtual class. We have been discussing expansion of binomials in the previous three videos that I have uploaded. We have already completed one exercise, that is exercise 4A, yes, from your textbook. It is on page number 53. Now, in this class today, we will be doing the cubic of the binomials. We will be doing the cubical expansion of the binomials. That is cubical expansion of binomials. Now, this formula is also not new to you. You have done this formula in the previous class. If you turn to page number 58, in your textbook, you will see that formula, expansion of a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. So let me quickly expand this formula first. A plus b whole cube. That means here, if you see that a plus b inside the bracket, it is a binomial, and there it has been cubed, not squared. So here we will get the expansion, and the formula is very easy. You just have to learn it by heart. It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So you have got four terms that has been expanded here, and we come to the formula. Please recall that a cube. Okay, so here we have got a cube 3a square into b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now, how this formula came, the expansion or the derivation we will not be doing here. So we will be only learning the formula. Application of the formula is what you need. So now we go to another formula, that is a minus b the whole cube. Everything remains same. There will be four terms only, but you have got some difference in the sign. That means a cube, you have got minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. If you observe this carefully, all the four terms are same, only the sign have changed. In a plus b whole cube, everything is plus, whereas in a minus b whole cube, you have got minus in front of 3a square b, and you have got minus in front of b cube. Alright, so this is the formula you have got here. You can also look at these two terms, and from these two terms you can take common, and you can also write this formula. The first formula we can also write like this. See, a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube. I have just moved this. It is not transposed. This is just what you call reshuffling of the terms, but all the terms are on the same side. So there is nothing, no need to change the sign. Now if you look at these two terms, you have got plus here. 3ab will be common. That means the terms which are present in both. So from here 3a square b, if I take out 3ab, what will be left inside? A. And from here, if b will be left inside. So this is another formula which you can write for a plus b whole cube. Now here the formula looks a little bit complicated and difficult, but if you make a habit of learning it every alternate days or every day, then it will become easy. Then you may recall it. Then you can recall it by heart. Then it will not be difficult. So the key here is to practice it every day. All right, and similarly, we can also write a minus b the whole cube. See, everything remains same. The sign will change. You have got a cube. This plus will become minus. Then this plus will also become minus 3ab. Then you have got a. This plus also becomes minus. So we have changed the sign there in everything. Okay, so now these are the formulas that you have to remember. These two formulas are very, very important. Now using these formulas, we will be solving the exercise. If I turn to page number 60, look at your textbook and turn to page number 60. We have got exercise 4B. Alright, so I've got a textbook here. Exercise 4B, there are about 16 questions, so I'll be solving almost 60 or 50% of it, around 8 questions. Then the remaining 8 you have to do it yourself. So it is very, very simple. Let me start now the exercise. Here, nothing much to understand in the formula. The key is you have to remember it, because application is very, very important. So let us do exercise 4B, page number 60. Okay, so we have got first question, very, very easy. Find the cube of, let me do that, question number 1, 4. Find the cube of 3a minus 1 by a. So you have got your cubing, you have to cube it. So put it in the bracket and cube it. So just now you have learned the formula of a minus b whole cube. So that formula you have to recall it. Then you can write down the formula also, so that it will be easy for your reference. It is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket open, a minus b bracket close. So this is the formula that you have learned for a minus b whole cube. Alright, so now a, look at a. What is in place of a here? You have got 3a. So this is how you have to substitute here now. See, a is replaced by 3a and b is replaced by 1 upon a. So wherever you see a, you have to simply replace by 3a. So it will be like this. A cube. I have put it in the bracket because there are two terms here, 3 and a, minus b is 1 by a whole cube minus 3. This is into the product. Okay, a is again 3a, b is 1 by a bracket open, a is 3a minus b is 1 upon a. So here we have made use of the formula. Now it is very, very simple. You just have to simplify each of the term. The first one, it is quite simple. When you have to cube both the terms, it is 27 a cube. 1 cube is 1. You have to cube the denominator as well, so it becomes 1 upon a cube. Minus, come to this side, a and a cancel, so you multiply this, it becomes 9. 3a minus 1 by a. So this will be your answer. So I think this is not that difficult. Only key is remember the formula. And you have got some work to do. Exercise 4B. The first question, you have got question number 1. There are 4 sub questions. I have solved 1. The remaining number 1, number 2, number 3 of the first question, you have to do it yourself. Okay, so now let me do this question number 2. Now question number 2 is slightly different. So now before I do question number 2, okay, before I do question number 2, let me just give you one more formula. It is basically the same formula only, but from there it has been derived. So it is a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket open a plus b. So we have got this a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket open a plus b. Alright. So now here what we get from this formula is, let us try to find the formula of this. a cube plus b cube. Alright, let us try to find the formula a cube plus b cube. You don't have to do anything here. Simply this whole term you take it to the other side. So what happens is, so therefore we get a cube plus b cube equals to, see it is here only, this side a plus b whole cube will remain same. What I have done is only I am keeping this on one side. So this whole thing will go to the other side. It becomes minus 3ab bracket open a plus b. So this will be your again another formula for a cube plus b cube. Okay, so now what we have got is, using this formula we have to do now the second question, question number 2. Let us solve that question number 2. You have got a square plus 1 by a square is equals to 47. This is given to you. Now this is slightly different. You have to think little bit out of the box. Find number 1. You have to find a plus 1 by a. Okay, this is what you have to find. Number 2, you have to find a cube plus 1 by a cube. So, but here what you are given? You are given a square plus 1 by a square equals to 47. If you observe this 47 on the right hand side, now you have to get rid of this 2 square, in fact. So if you look at the left hand side, you have got 2 terms. Here you have got 47. Now this is slightly different. You have to get only a plus 1 by a. There is no square, and you cannot use a square minus b square formula also, nor you can use I think you can use a plus b the whole square. Okay, that you can do. Like if you use this way, you can get it. A square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, like this. A square plus b square plus 2ab, because b is 1 by a. So what we get here is, this is given to you 47. Alright, this a and a cancel. This is 2. So what you get here? 49. Clear? Now what happens is, you have to remove the square. You have to find only a plus 1 by a. So when you get rid of the square, it becomes square root on the other side. So what is the answer? Square root of 49. So we have removed the square here. So therefore, a plus 1 by a becomes 7. Since it is a square root, you have got plus and minus 7. So we have got the value of 1. First one, a plus 1 by a. Alright? Now, it is quite simple. To find the second part, we have to use the formula which you have learned just now. Okay? So let me do that second part. A cube plus 1 by a cube. You have to find this. If you recall, the formula that we have learned just now is a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab bracket open a plus b. This is the formula you have to use. So now a is a only, b is 1 by 3 the whole cube minus 3 into a into 1 by a bracket open a plus 1 by a. Alright? So what we have done here is, in place of b you are just simply substituted as 1 by a. So now a plus 1 by a we have just got, it is 7. Either you put plus 7, then it will answer will be different. So let us take only one value of a plus 1 by a. So let us say a plus 1 by 7 whole cube minus this and this cancel, 3 into 1 by 7. Suppose I am putting like this. If I have taken a plus 1 is 7. So what is the 7 cube? 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 7. 7 9 is 63. I think you'll get 343. Something like this. 3 by 7. So you can simplify this yourself because it is a simple numericals. Then you have to take LCM and you try to complete this yourself. Okay. So what we have got here is we just started the cubical expansion of a plus b and a minus b. In that we derived the formulas and also we started exercise 4b. Now your home assignment will be please do up to question number 3, exercise 4b, page number 60, and you have to go on writing this in your exercise copy, classwork copy, which will be checked once the school reopens. Thank you very much.